Separating mixtures. Compounds can only be separated by chemical reactions. Mixtures are separated by physical means. The following examples will be presented in more detail. Decanting and separating funnel, and filtration. Decantation can be used to separate a liquid and solid mixture, or a mixture of two immiscible liquids. Immiscible means liquids that will not blend together, with different densities. For liquid and solid mixtures, the liquid can be poured off the top. For liquid and liquid mixtures, it is best to allow the more dense liquid to drain out of the bottom using a separating funnel. So this would be your separating funnel, and this is where you're pouring off the liquid, and the sediment here, the solid, is staying there in your beaker. And here's a picture of a real separating funnel. It's used to separate a mixture of two liquid components that have different densities. The denser fluid sinks to the bottom of the fluid, right, going down like this, where it is drained into a beaker. The less dense fluid remains in the funnel. Decantation is necessary in the production of biodiesel. Glycerol is formed as a byproduct during the process. Since glycerol is more dense than the biodiesel, it can be separated through decantation. The processing of crude oil can involve decantation to remove impurities such as mercury. Mercury, a dense liquid, can be found in high levels in crude oil. The mercury poses several problems during crude oil refinement. The presence of mercury generates toxic waste, damages equipment, destroys catalysts, and presents serious health impacts. Cream is obtained through the process of decantation. After centrifugation, the less dense cream floats on top of the skimmed milk. Filtration separates a solid from the liquid in a heterogeneous mixture. Filtration is the method of choice to remove solid impurities or components from a liquid. It can be performed by applying a vacuum as well to speed up the filtration. Filtration involves pouring a mixture through a specially folded filtration paper supported on a funnel and letting gravity pull the liquid through the small pores in the paper, just like a coffee filter.